back to another what I eat in a week. Before I head out to run some errands, I am going to make spirulina pancake. To Target and Walmart and I got some groceries. I got fresh salmon, black beans, tomato sauce for spaghetti, and I also got tenderloin chicken, onion, frozen salmon, ground beef, and I also got baby carrot to snack on with hummus. It tastes really good. Mushroom, and I also got quinoa, strawberries. Yeah, that's everything I got. It is 1 o'clock now. I am going to meal prep some food so I can have them ready to go to work for the next 3 days. I am making blueberry muffin. First, I add 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of oats, and I add some spices, cinnamon, ginger, baking soda, and I mix everything together. And after, I add my wet mixture. And I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to make some hummus with beets hummus, and I add some tahini sauce, some spices, and I blend everything together. So I'm going to eat this hummus with carrot and cucumbers. It is delicious. Muffin is ready. I really like the way they turn out. Smell amazing. They are fluffy. I will definitely put the recipe in the description box. Now I am going to put 2 muffins in each containers. Breakfast is ready. I have everything ready. I have 4. This is quinoa, broccoli, white plantain, and mushroom salmon sauce. I also add onion and bell pepper, same way for this one. So yummy. Good morning. I am currently at work having breakfast. My shift starts at 4 a.m. so my first break is at 6:30. So I am having blueberry muffin, egg, and some fruit on the side. Got off from work. I took a shower. Now I am going to have some leftover plantain and carrot porridge. Easy to make. I blend carrot and plantain and pour it into a pan. I add cinnamon powder and cinnamon stick and let it boil for 15 minutes. And then after that 15 minutes, I add milk and a little bit of sugar, some sea salt, and yeah, that's it. It was easy and simple, and it's pretty affordable too. Plantain is a great source of fiber. It contains vitamin A, C, B6, and it also low in fat. You can also have this in the morning. I love it. I have it any time of the day. Yeah, so I'm going to have it with a piece of pumpkin bread. This is so good. I love it. It has a lot of great nutrients for the body. It is very important to start your day with fiber because it is digested slowly and give your body with a lot of nutrient and long burning energy. When I skip breakfast, I feel sluggish and I have a headache. I can skip lunch, but breakfast I cannot skip it. And I keep breakfast simple, easy. It can be a smoothie, it can be a toast, or switch it up every now and then, but I want it to be nutrient dense because it is the first meal of the day. I'm going to enjoy my smoothie and I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to have a little bit of pomegranate juice. Yeah, this is so good. I'm also having it with avocados. Mint tea has a lot of great benefits for the body. It helps relieve stress, help with digestion, contain vitamin C, antioxidant, minerals. It's really great for the body, for the whole body in general. I like to start my day with a type of hydration. It can be a tea, water, to help rehydrate my body because it was sleeping. I was sleeping for 7 hours, so your body needs hydration. You have to rehydrate your body. It's very refreshing too. I end up adding 1 slab of cheese inside. It smells lovely. I am so excited to eat. It is lunchtime. I am having a summer salad. I use regular lettuce. I add chickpeas and chicken, and I also add beet hummus that I made the other day, and I drizzle some ranch on top. I keep it pretty simple.